Hey guys, Jim from IAG. Today, we're going to be taking a shop tour around our manufacturing facility and warehouse located right here in Westminster, Maryland. Let's go. First stop on the tour is the showroom, where we have a ton of open space and a whole bunch of comfy furniture. Don't believe me? Let's check it out. Yeah, this does feel good. But let's not stop here. Let's keep going. The next stop is our conference room, you know, where all the big decisions get made. In this room is where we have our weekly meetings, where we discuss new products, products in development, and new ideas. In this room is where all of our sales and customer service team works. And on this side, where the glass offices are, is where we house some of our management team. So now let's head on into the warehouse. So this is the warehouse where we stock all of our product and apparel. So let's go head on down one of the aisles and head on down to shipping. Looks like we got a bunch of fuel line kits, some AOSs, some oil pans and pickups, ready to ship. So this is the shipping department, where all of the products that you order gets processed and ready to ship. And it looks like we got a ton of good stuff ready to head out. Now let's head over to the engine department, where the first stop is our teardown and evaluation room. So this is the first stop in the engine department, and it's the teardown room, where all of the short and long blocks that come to us get torn down and evaluated. You might recognize this room from episode 3 of our 500 horsepower eco-friendly build, but if not, be sure to hit that like and subscribe so you can follow along and be up to date on YouTube. So this is the head room, where all the heads come to get evaluated and new head packages and long blocks become assembled. Next up is the honing room. In this room, not only do we hone the blocks and the rods, but we also measure and inspect the cranks. Now we can head on down to final assembly, but first we gotta head through the airlocks. What's up, guys? So this is where all the short blocks come for final assembly. After we head out the final airlock, we're going to head on over to packaging. So this is the packaging room, where all of our small parts get boxed up and head on down to the warehouse to be put into inventory. Now let's head into production, where all of our parts like air oil separators come for assembly. So this is production. Well, these guys are hard at work, so we're not going to bother them too much. Let's just head on over to the lunchroom and get something to eat. So this is the lunchroom, where we come equipped with a full-blown kitchen, including 2 sinks, several microwaves, a stove, and an oven. Don't leave your stuff in here Fridays after 5. You're not gonna like it, I can promise you that. So let's head on into the eating area. So this is the eating area, where everybody comes and sits down to not only eat their lunch, but also discuss things that are going on around the shop. And if that wasn't enough for you, we also have 2 separate vending machines. Tell you what, I could sure use a Reese's cup right about now, but we're gonna head on into the media office, where myself and our cinematographer call home. And here it is, in a completely neutral, unbiased opinion, the best room in the shop, the media department. So obviously I think this is the best room in the whole shop, but I think your opinion's gonna differ. You're gonna wanna see this. We've got a full-blown arcade. Let's go for a race. Woohoo! Man. Well, now since I wasted a lot of brain power playing video games, there's only one way to recover from that. And that's to hit the gym for a full workout. Well, that felt good, but let's not stop there. You gotta keep going. So before we head out to the shop, we're gonna take a stop into our OEM parts area. This is where we store all the fluids plus OEM parts and hardware. So let's head on out to the shop area. So if you followed along on YouTube at all, you'll definitely recognize this. This is where we do all of our installation and product videos. And check this out, it looks like we're in luck. We have both of the cars that we're doing videos on right now, our 2022 Subaru WRX, as well as our 500 horsepower eco-friendly STI. But it looks like we're doing some race car stuff today, so let's check that out before we move down to fabrication. Next is the fabrication department, where we've had to expand greatly to keep up with manufacturing demands. Let's keep going past the fabrication area, where we're going to find our two mandrel benders. And just past that, we have our press brake and our sheet and tube laser. Last but certainly not least, we're going to head on over to our CNC department. So welcome to the CNC department, where we always got something cool going on. Check this out. Just past the CNC is our engineering department and offices, or as we like to call it, the Skunk Works office. But be on the lookout in the future for more videos that take a deeper dive into each department and show you just what makes IAG, IAG. So that completes the tour of our warehouse and manufacturing facility located right here in Westminster, Maryland. So like always, be sure to hit that like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.